Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the photo of a beautiful woman sitting cross-legged, I guess in the living room. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be turned into this ethereal witch style and also add more ambience of the Halloween vibe. As you can see, the background will be the gloomy forest and also the blackbird over here. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Nano banana, and here I am accessing it with the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to create this picture or do the editing with the Nano banana in Gemini AI, so it is very okay. And of course, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, don't forget to activate the Nano banana first. And in this Google AI Studio, I will start to select a picture from my gallery. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. For example, like this. And after that, you can put this prompt and try to run it. And basically the prompt would be like this. You can add the detail like hyper detail cinematic photorealistic portrait of the person over here in the attached photo, transform into the powerful and ethereal witch, and she has the intense captivating expression like this, and also with her glowing faintly with the arcane energy. So this is the glowing eye and also the glowing energy that come out from her hands, and also a vibrant luminous purple aura pulsates around her like this and emanating from her hands as she gestures subtly. And also the attire can be transformed to become the dark and elegant, hinting an ancient magic with the intricate silver accent. And also the composition is a dramatic close-up, focusing on her face and the glowing aura, and also slightly off-center to create the visual tension. As you can see, the picture is in the center, and also behind her, then a dense and ancient dark forest looms, shrouded in an eerie mist with the gnarled and shadowy trees reaching toward the sky. And also the several large glossy black crows, this is the crows, are captured mid-flight, silhouetted against the glowing purple aura and also the dark forest, adding the dynamic element like this, guys. And you can also put the prompt like this about the lightning to be dramatic and high contrast with the intense purple glow, and also the subtle hints of the moonlight, let's say. And also you can add the technical specs or the specificity. For example, the 8K Unreal 5 engine render, Octane render, trending the ArtStation. And you can also put the negative prompt into this section. And after that, you can continue to click run down here and kindly wait for the process or the output. Well, basically, this is the same prompt that I got to have this picture. But if you'd like to get another version, so you can put and upload your picture and using this prompt. And don't worry, because I will also put this prompt into the description box, and you can share us which that this prompt can be work or can work into your version. So this is the another version, as you can see. So guys, by this one prompt, you can actually have another version of the output by clicking this rerun this turn like this, and this is the another output. Isn't that cool, right? So that's all guys. Don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.